As project managers, we're constantly juggling tasks, deadlines, and resources to effectively plan and track our projects. Understanding the nuances of effort is paramount. In Wrike, a powerful project management platform, effort isn't just a single concept. It's a multifaceted aspect of work that can be defined and tracked in various ways to provide valuable insights into project progress, resource allocation, and overall efficiency. Think of effort in Wrike as the different lenses through which we can view the work being done. Each lens provides a unique perspective, allowing us to manage our projects with greater precision. Let's explore these different types of effort in Wrike and how they contribute to successful project management. 1. Planned effort, setting the stage for success. Planned effort, often referred to as estimated time or original estimate, is the initial prediction of how much time a task or project is expected to take. This estimate is typically made during the planning phase, before any actual work begins. It's the baseline against which we measure actual progress and identify potential deviations. Think of planned effort as the blueprint for how much time we anticipate each part of our project will require. It's crucial for resource allocation. Knowing the planned effort helps us assign the right resources to the right tasks and ensure we have enough capacity to complete the project within the desired timeframe. Scheduling. Planned effort forms the basis of our project schedule, allowing us to set realistic deadlines and identify potential bottlenecks. Budgeting. In many cases, planned effort directly translates to project costs, especially when dealing with billable hours or internal resource allocation. When setting planned effort, it's essential to involve the team members who will be performing the work. Their expertise and insights are invaluable in creating accurate and realistic estimates. Techniques like historical data analysis, expert judgment, and breaking down large tasks into smaller, more manageable units can improve the accuracy of planned effort. 2. Actual effort, tracking progress in real time. Actual effort, often labeled as time spent or log time, represents the actual amount of time team members have spent working on a specific task or project. This data is typically tracked through manual time logging or automated time tracking features within Wrike. Tracking actual effort is crucial for progress monitoring. Comparing actual effort against planned effort allows us to see if tasks are taking longer or shorter than anticipated. This helps us identify potential delays or areas where we might be ahead of schedule. Performance analysis. Analyzing the actual effort spent on different types of tasks or by different team members can provide valuable insights into individual and team performance. Invoice and billing. For projects with billable hours, accurate tracking of actual effort is essential for generating accurate invoices and ensuring timely payments. Encouraging team members to consistently and accurately log their time is vital for the reliability of actual effort data. Wrike offers various ways to track time, making it as seamless as possible for team members to record their work.